Hi my dear children, I welcome all of you to my maths class. So next week onwards we are starting our pre-midterm exam. So we will have a revision session in this class. That is, we already finished 2 lessons. First lesson is numbers up to 200 and second lesson is addition of 2-digit numbers. So now we will have a revision session of first lesson, numbers up to 200. So first we studied before, after and between number in this first chapter, that is numbers up to 200. First we studied before, after and between numbers. That before, after and between number we all studied in 2-digit numbers and we also studied in the 3-digit number. That is, we already studied in first standard up to 100, the numbers up to 100. Then now we are studying numbers up to 200. So what is a before number? Before number, that a number comes just before a number. A number comes just before a number. And what do you mean by an after number? After number is the next number. After number is the next number. And what do you mean by between numbers? The number comes in between two numbers. The number comes in between two numbers, that we are calling as the between number. So we will look few examples of the before, after and between numbers. So I told you we will explain before, after and between number through the slides. So here first question is 123, 124. That is, the after number of 123 is 124. Then 167, 168. 167, 168. 168 is the after number of 167. Then third one, 180, 181. 180 is the before number of 181. 146, 147. 146 is the before number of 147. 124, 125 and 126. So 125 is the between number of 124 and 126. Then last one, 176, 177 and 178. 177 is the between number of 176 and 178. Next is comparing numbers. We studied how to compare two numbers, how to compare 2-digit numbers and how to compare 3-digit numbers. So there are 3 symbols to compare the numbers, that are less than, greater than and equal to. Less than, greater than and equal to are the symbols to compare the numbers. So every 2-digit is bigger than a 1-digit number. Every 2-digit is bigger than a 1-digit number. And we already studied how to compare the 2-digit number and a 3-digit number. So to understand these comparing numbers, I will show you a video. So let us watch the video.
Comparing 3-digit numbers. Raj has 94 seashells and Rahul has 112 seashells. Who has more number of seashells? A number with more digits is always greater. 94 has 2 digits, whereas 112 has 3 digits. This means 112 is greater than 94. We can also say that 94 is less than 112. Therefore, Rahul has more seashells. Ramesh has 124 seashells. Who has more seashells, Rahul or Ramesh? Both the numbers have 3 digits. Let's compare the hundreds digit. It is the same. Let's compare the tens digit. 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, 124 is greater than 112. We can also say that 112 is less than 124. Therefore, Ramesh has more seashells. Rohit has 128 seashells. Who has more seashells, Rohit or Ramesh? Both the numbers have 3 digits. Let's compare the hundreds digit. It is the same. Let's compare the tens digit. It is the same. Let's compare the ones digit. 8 is greater than 4. Therefore, 128 is greater than 124. We can also say that 124 is less than 128. Therefore, Rohit has more seashells.
Next is abacus. Abacus and place value of a 2-digit number. Abacus. How will we show a 2-digit number on an abacus? There will be 2 spikes for an abacus, for a 2-digit abacus. There are 2 places for a 2-digit number. First one is ones place and the next one is the tens place. So we will represent a 2-digit number on an abacus by 2 spikes. And what do you mean by the place value? Place value of a number. Place value changes according to their places. I told you there are 2 places for a 2-digit number. So place value changes according to their places. So if you represented 43 on an abacus, there will be 3 beads in the ones place and 4 beads in the tens place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 is in the ones place. I told you place value changes according to their places. So place value of 3 is what? Place value of 3 is 3 itself. And what is the place value of 4? Place value of 4 is 4 tens, because 4 is in the tens place. So 4 tens or 40 is the place value of 4. 4 tens or 40 is the place value of 4. So by representing abacus, by representing 43 on an abacus, we also studied the place value of 43. That is, place value of 3 is 3 and place value of 4 is 40. 40 or 4 tens. Next is building numbers up to 200. So we are starting a 3-digit number from 100 to 200 we are studying in this lesson. So building numbers up to 200 is the next session. So how will we write the number name of 146? 1 one and 100. What is the spelling of 100? HUNDRED. 146 SIX. 146 we will write the number name, we will write. And we also studied how to represent it on a place value chart. That also we studied. 3 places will be there for a 3-digit number. First one is from the right side. First place is the ones place, then tens place, and last is the hundreds place. So we studied how to represent a 3-digit number on a place value chart, and how to write the number name of a 3-digit number, and how if it given as the blocks, that is square, long rectangle, rod and a small square. Big square denotes the hundreds place, long rectangle rod denotes the tens place, and small square denotes the ones place. Next is ascending order and descending order of a 3-digit number. How will we write the ascending order and descending order of a 3-digit number? Ascending order is writing numbers from smallest to the biggest. Writing numbers from smallest to biggest. And what do you mean by descending order? Descending order is writing numbers from biggest to smallest. Writing numbers from biggest to the smallest. So we will look few examples of ascending and descending order. Next is odd and even numbers. How will we identify an odd and even number? Odd numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in their ones place, and even numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place. So by that we will identify any odd or even numbers. And last our portion is ordinal number. Ordinal number. What do you mean by ordinal number? Ordinal number shows the order or position of a thing or a man or a girl, boy, like that. Ordinal number shows the order. How will we say the ordinal numbers? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th, like that way we will saying the ordinal numbers. Ordinal number shows the order or position of a thing. That is the last session. So the first chapter is finished now. First chapter finished now. Then we will go to the second chapter. So I think all are understood, and all things I revised from the first onward, first lesson. In numbers there will be before, after and between numbers, comparing numbers, ascending and descending order, expanded form, odd and even numbers, and ordinal numbers. So there so many portions are there in the first chapter. So I think all are understood and you have to study well, and we will take the next chapter. Our next lesson is addition. That is the second chapter is addition. What we learn in the chapter addition? First we learn addition of 3 numbers. Addition of 3 one-digit numbers. How will we add? I will show you one example. 5, 3 plus 4. 5 plus 3 plus 4. First we have to add 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 is what? 5 plus 3 is 8. Then we have to add that 4 with 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. This is the first session of that chapter. We studied addition of 3 numbers. First we have to add these 2 numbers, and with that answer we have to add the third digit, third number, that is 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 4, 12. Next is addition of 3 numbers, that is 3 two-digit numbers. Addition of 3 two-digit numbers. Look how will we add 3 two-digit numbers without regrouping. We are studying without regrouping. So I will write one example here. 14, 20 plus 13. 14 plus 20 plus 13. So first we have to start from which place? Which place we have to start addition? We have to start addition from the ones place. So here which are the numbers in the ones place? 4, 0 and 3. 4, 0 and 3. So 4 plus 0 is what? 4 plus 0 is 4. Then again we have to add that 3 with 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So for ones place we added, and we have to add next, we have to add the tens place, that is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 1, 4. So we got the answer 47. For 14 plus 20 plus 13 equals 47. That is the addition of 3 two-digit number without regrouping. For that we have to add, first we have to add the ones place numbers, then we have to add the tens place numbers, then we will get the answer. Addition of 3 two-digit numbers without regrouping. Then we studied addition of 3 numbers with regrouping. with regrouping, addition of 3 numbers with regrouping also we studied. I will write here one example. 28 14 plus 18. 28 plus 14 plus 18. So now we will look addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. First we have to start from which place? Which place we have to start? We have to start from the ones place. We have to start addition from the ones place. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is 12 plus 8 is what? 12 plus 8 is 20. 12 plus 8 is 20. Then I told you which number we will write here and which we will take it as a carryover. The ones place number we will write here and the tens place digit we will take it as the carryover. So 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. So which number is here in the ones place? Here 0 is in the ones place. So we will write here 0 and we will take 2 as the carryover. And we will take 2 as the carryover. Then we have to add the carryover with these remaining digits. Don't forget to add the carryover with the numbers because all are making mistake in that. They forgot to add the carryover with the numbers. So we have to add carryover with the first number. For 2 plus 2 4. Then 4 plus 1, say 4 plus 1, 5. Then 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 60. 60 is the answer for 28 plus 14 plus 18. First we have to add the ones place numbers. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. For 20 we have to write here 0 and 2 take it as the carryover. Then 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So now we looked the 2 problems, that is addition of 3 numbers, 3 2-digit number without regrouping and addition of 3 2-digit number with regrouping. And this word problems of this two type of addition also we studied. That I will explain through the slides. Now we will look certain examples of addition of 2-digit numbers and 1-digit numbers also we studied. So we will look certain examples of that addition. So first one is here 21 plus 14 plus 12. 21 plus 14 plus 12. So from where we start addition? We will start addition from the ones place. So 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 we will write here. And next we will start from which place? We will start from the tens place. We will start next place is the, for a 2-digit number there are 2 places. So next place is tens place. So here we will start the addition. Next we will going to add the tens place numbers. So what are the numbers? 2 plus 1 3. Then 3 plus 1 4. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 47. So next one, it is a 1-digit addition of 3 numbers. Then first we will add 5 and 8. 5 plus 8 is what? 5 plus 8 is 13. 5 plus 8 is 13. And next we have to add this 13 with this last number 7. So 13 plus 7 is what? 13 plus 7 is 20. 13 plus 7 is 20. So 20 is the answer. So next one, that is an addition of 2-digit numbers, 3 2-digit numbers with regrouping. So we will start addition from the ones place. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 6 is what? 10 plus 6 is 16. So I told you for a 2-digit number, which number we will write here? We will write the ones place number, that is 6. And that 1 we will take it as the carryover. 1 we will take it as the carryover. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. And 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is, tell me 8 plus 2 is 10. So we will write here 10. So what is the answer? 106. That is 42 plus 38 plus 26 equals 106. So this is the addition of 2-digit number with regrouping, and this is the addition of 2-digit numbers without regrouping, and this is addition of 1-digit numbers, that is we are adding 3 numbers. And the word problems also we studied, the additions word problem also we studied, that I will explain through the slides.
Adding 3 2-digit numbers. Reena has 26 books. Ria has 28 books. Rita has 32 books. How many books do they have in all? To find out, let us add the numbers 26, 28 and 32. First, let's add the ones. 6 plus 8 plus 2 equals 16. 16 has 1 10 and 6 ones. Regroup the 1 10 to the tens column. Now add the tens. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 equals 8. Therefore, 26 plus 28 plus 32 equals 86. They have 86 books in all.
So I think all are understood this revision session. That is, we revised 2 chapters. Numbers, first chapter is numbers and the second chapter is addition. So I think all are understood this, and you have to do the problems from the chapter numbers and from the chapter addition. These 2 chapters are there for your pre-midterm exam, and that model questions also I will give through parent guide, and you have to study well. Word problems you have to do, and you have to write the statements for the word problems, and there will be choose the correct answer type questions, addition questions, so many type of questions, and there will be questions from numbers also will be there. So you have to do the problems in your rough book from home, and you have to study for the pre-midterm exam. So we will wind up this session. All of you have to write the pre-midterm exam well, and all of you have to prepare well for the exam and study well. Take care. All the best.